I create a compound interest calculator using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and JSON. The compound interest calculator allows you to calculate how much your investment will grow over time, taking into account the interest earned on both principal and the interest earned in previous periods. So let's dive into the code. The HTML file contains the structure and content of the web page. It defines the various input fields and buttons needed to perform the calculations and the div where the result will be displayed. The CSS file is used for styling and formatting the HTML content to make it visually appealing. Next up, we have the JavaScript file, which is responsible for the functionality of the calculator. The event listener attached to the submit button triggers the calculation of the compound interest using the formula defined in the helper function. The clear button is used to reset all input fields, and if any of the input fields are invalid, the user is alerted to enter valid values. Lastly, the JSON file contains information about the Chrome extension. In particular, it specifies the name of the extension, the description, version, permissions required by the extension. So as for design choices, I debated whether or not to include the option to choose between different compounding periods, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. I ultimately decided to include it since it provided users with greater flexibility in calculating their compound interest. Now, to install the compound interest calculator extension, you have to download the zip file from the repository, extract the zip file to a directory on your computer, open Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the window, click on More Tools and then Extensions, enable Developer Mode in the upper right-hand corner of the window, click on Load Unpacked in the upper left-hand corner of the window, select the directory where you extracted the zip file, click on Select Folder. To use the Compound Interest Calculator extension and just follow these steps, you just click on the extension icon in the upper right-hand corner of the window, enter the additional principal amount in the principal field, enter the annual interest rate in the interest rate field, select compounding frequency in the compounding periods field, enter the time period and years in the time period field, then click on the Calculate button. The total amount of money earned will be displayed in the output field. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you got a lot from it.